Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change Nissan Altima spark plugs. First, let's gather our tools. You'll need a ratchet, an extension, and a spark plug socket, which is often 14 or 16 millimeters. Always make sure your engine is completely cool before you begin. Then, locate the ignition coils, which are typically found on top of the engine, covering the spark plugs. For safety, disconnect your battery's negative terminal. Next, remove any engine covers and air intake components that obstruct access. Unplug the electrical connectors from each ignition coil, then unbolt and remove the coils themselves. Using your spark plug socket and extension, carefully loosen and extract each old spark plug. Be sure to keep any debris from falling into the cylinder wells. Now, let's install the new spark plugs. While some manufacturers advise against it, applying a small amount of anti-seize compound to the threads can help with future removal. Hand tighten each new spark plug to avoid cross-threading. Then, use a torque wrench to tighten them to the manufacturer's specification, usually between 14 and 22 foot-pounds. Finally, reinstall the ignition coils and reconnect their electrical connectors. With the new spark plugs in place, reattach the air intake system and any engine covers you removed. Reconnect the negative battery terminal. Now, start your engine and listen for smooth operation. If everything sounds good, you've successfully changed your spark plugs. Remember to dispose of your old spark plugs responsibly. Great job, and thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.